Hello, good morning. Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we see the logical group. In that, we clear two topics or the two gate. The first one is AND gate, and the second one is a OR gate. Now we see the third one gate, which is the XOR gate. Which gate? XOR gate. Now see here the truth table of your XOR gate. So 0 in 0 0 means what? It says 0. 0 1 means what? 1. 1 0 means what? 1. And 1 1 means what? 0. So this is your truth table of your XOR gate. I repeat again this. Now see the truth table of your XOR gate is 0 0 0. When both the input are high or low, that time XOR gate output is what? Low. And one input is low or one input is high, that time it output is what? Set, means what? 1. So this is your truth table of your XOR gate. Now see the instruction one by one. So here operand is what? 3 operand is there. First one is a register, second one is a memory, and the third one is the data. So these three are the operand. Now we perform the actual logical XOR operation with these three operands with the accumulator. Which register? Accumulator register. Now see very first operand is what? Register. When we logically XOR with register, at that time the result is stored into your again accumulator. Means what? Your accumulator, the content of your accumulator is XOR with your the content of your register, and the result of this instruction or the result of this accumulator and register, that will be stored into your again accumulator. Now see here the exactly instruction for this. The instruction is what? XRA. So XR means what? XOR gate. A means what? Accumulator with which operand? Very first operand, which is the register. So that's why I write here small r. So your instruction now like this: XRAR. So the format for this instruction is what? Like this: accumulator content XOR with your register, and the result is stored into your again accumulator. So this is your format for this instruction. Now see addressing mode is what? Register addressing mode. कौन सा addressing mode है? Register addressing mode. Then group is what? Logical group. Byte कितने हैं? 1 byte. और जो whatever your flag जो है, that is affected for this instruction or the set or reset for this instruction. Why? Because we perform here XOR operation. Means what? Any operation is done by this instruction, so that's why flag is affected. Now see what is the comment for this instruction. Now see here the content of your accumulator is logically or with XOR with the content of your accumulator. ठीक है ना? The result is stored into your again accumulator. So this is your comment which I already write here. Okay, now we see the example for this. So here A equals to what? ATH, and the C equals C register. The C register value is what? 2EH. Now we have to perform the operation between these two values, ATH and the 2EH. Now see what is the exact calculation for this. So ATH here and 2EH here. So we write here binary number for these two values. First we write the binary number of ATH. So the binary number of 8 is what? 1000, and the 0 is 4 times 0 binary number. After that 2E. 2 का binary number क्या है? 0010, and E means what? It's a 14. So 1110. Now we perform the calculation for this. So see here 0 0. XOR का क्या है? What is the truth table for XOR? When both the inputs are high or low, that time answer is what? 0. So 0 0 is 0. 0 1 means what? 1. 0 1 means what? 1. 0 1 means what? 1. Again 0 0 means what? 0. 0 1 means what? 1. 0 0 means 0. 1 0 means what? Sorry, here is 1. So your answer is this 1010 triple one zero. So write here 1010 and triple one zero. So this is your A and this is your E. So your final answer is what? Your final answer is what? That is AE, which store into your again accumulator. So from this answer the flag is set. Now see here, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है AEH आंसर यहाँ पे आया है. So flag ऐसे सेट होता है. Put this value as it is into your flag status. So here parity flag is set or the sign flag is only set or other are the reset. So this is your example of your XOR gate with register. Now we move towards the second operand, which is your मेमोरी कंटेंट्स. सो जो मेमोरी कंटेंट्स है उसके साथ आपको क्या करना है, एक्यूमुलेटर का जो कंटेंट है उसके साथ उनके दोनों का एक्सऑर करना है. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन. द नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन इज व्हाट? एक्स आर ए विथ विच कंटेंट, सॉरी विच ऑपरेंड? मेमोरी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई राइट हियर एम को मैंने राउंड किया है. सो एक्स आर ए एम. नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन इज व्हाट? एक्स आर ए एम. नाउ सी the explanation for this or the full form for this instruction is what? Logically XOR with memory with accumulator. Whatever your logical XOR जो operations है that happen between two operands. The first one is a memory and the second one is a accumulator. Now see the exact format for this. The content of your accumulator is XOR with your memory. ठीक है ना. सो मेमोरी को इनबिल्ट कौन सा रजिस्टर पेयर है? द HL रजिस्टर पेयर. सो इन द एक्यूमुलेटर कंटेंट और HL रजिस्टर पेयर का जो एक्सऑर का आंसर एक्सऑर होने वाला है, अगेन दैट रिजल्ट इज स्टोर इन टू योर अगेन एक्यूमुलेटर. नाउ सी द फॉर्मेट फॉर दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन इज हियर. The accumulator is XOR with your HL register pair and result is stored into your accumulator. ठीक है ना. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड क्या है यहाँ पे? रजिस्टर इनडायरेक्ट मोड. वाई? बिकॉज इनडायरेक्टली वी एक्सेस HL रजिस्टर पेयर. ठीक है ना. सो दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे इनडायरेक्टली सॉरी रजिस्टर इनडायरेक्ट एड्रेसिंग मोड आया है. ग्रुप कौन सा है? लॉजिकल. बाइट कितने हैं? 1 बाइट. फ्लैग यहाँ पे अफेक्ट करता है बिकॉज वी परफॉर्म द ऑपरेशन XOR operation. So that's why flag is affected for this instruction. Now see the comment. Comment में हम क्या लिखेंगे? The content of your accumulator is logically XOR with the content of your memory who store the address into your HL register pair. ठीक है ना. Now see लेट्स वी सी एग्जाम्पल. यहाँ पे मैंने A इक्वल्स टू कितने लिया है? द वैल्यू इज 53H. नाउ HL रजिस्टर पेयर हैज़ द पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस विच इज C000 एंड इन दैट एड्रेस द वैल्यू इज स्टोर व्हाट? 50H. नाउ सी यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है 53H, आफ्टर दैट 50H. नाउ सी we write here binary number of these two numbers or these two values, 53 or the 50H. Now 5 का बाइनरी नंबर 0101, 3 का 0011. नाउ नेक्स्ट अगेन 5 का 0101 और 0 को 4 टाइम 0. नाउ सी द एग्जैक्ट कैलकुलेशन फॉर दिस आंसर. 10 इज व्हाट? 1. 10 is what? 1. 000 000. 11 means what? Again 0. I repeat again. In XOR, the condition is what? When both the inputs are high or low, at that time output will be low. ठीक है ना. So again 00 means what? 0. 11 means what? Again 0. 00 means what? 0. So your answer is what? 0 and this is your 3. So 03 is your answer which store into your accumulator. So accumulator contains which value? 03H value. Now this directly put into your flag register. So see here how the flag is like this. Sorry, how the flag is set or reset. So A7, A6, A5, A3, A4, A2, A1, A0. So this is your LSB bit and this is your MSB bit. So put the 03 value as it is into your flag status. So here only carry flag is set or other are the reset. So this is your flag of this instruction. Now see here with the third operand now we XOR. So मैंने किसके साथ किया, फर्स्टली रजिस्टर, उसके बाद मेमोरी कंटेंट. नाउ लास्ट वन इज व्हाट, इमीडिएट डेटा. वॉट एवर योर 8-bit immediate data XOR with your inbuilt instruction which is the accumulator. Now see next one, the that instruction is what, X R I. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज द ऑपरेंड इज व्हाट, डेटा. सो XR means what, here XOR get or I stands for the immediate 8-bit data. So whenever in your instruction immediate value is there, at that time you have to compulsory write capital I, and that I is nothing but your immediate value. Now see, the format for this instruction is what, the content of your accumulator XOR with your 8-bit immediate data. जो 8-bit immediate data है उसके साथ क्या होगा, वो XOR होगा, और that result will be stored into your again accumulator. So this is your format. Now see, the addressing mode is what, immediate है, 8-bit immediate data है, so that's why addressing mode is what, immediate addressing mode. Group is what, logical. Byte कितने हैं, 2 byte. The 8-bit immediate data plus your instruction, so total कितने byte का आया है, 2 byte. Now next flag क्या है, यहाँ पे affect होगा. कमेंट में हम कैसे लिखेंगे, द कंटेंट ऑफ योर एक्यूमुलेटर इज लॉजिकली XOR with the 8-bit immediate data and the result is stored into your accumulator. Now see example for this instruction. सो यहाँ पे एक्यूमुलेटर के लिए वैल्यू दिया है उन्होंने 5AH. द गिवन वैल्यू फॉर एक्यूमुलेटर इज व्हाट, 5AH, एंड द इंस्ट्रक्शन लाइक दिस विच इज गिवन लाइक दिस, XRI 60H. नाउ सी इन दिस एग्जाम्पल व्हाट हैपन, your accumulator value is what, 5AH, which XOR with your immediate 8-bit value, that is the 60H. Now see the exact calculation for this instruction. So value of A is what, 5A, and the 8-bit immediate value is what, 60H. Now see, now we write here the binary number of your 5A. So binary number of 5 is what, 0101, and the A is binary number 1010. Now see the binary number of 60, we write here 6 binary number 0110, and the 0 binary number is what, 4 times 0. Now we see the calculation for this example. When both the inputs are low, at that time output is low. When both the when one input is high, when second input is low, that time the output is what, high. So again both the input are low, that time output will be low. When both the input one is high or one is low, that time output will be 1. So again 10 is what, 101 is what, 1. When the both input are high, at that time answer is 0, and again 0 into means what, 0. 0 XOR with what, 0. So this is your 3 and this is your A. So what is the your final answer which store into your accumulator? That is A equals to 3AH. So this is your final result, or from this result we set or reset the flag status. Now see how flag is set or reset. The content the result 3AH which store into indirectly into your flag. So from this auxiliary flag is only set, or other are the reset. So this is your flag status of this accumulator result. Now see, in previous lecture or in today's lecture we complete here 3 gate. The first one is what? The first gate is AND gate, the second one is a OR gate, and the third one is a XOR gate. So AND gate means what? It's a dot product. XOR means OR means what? Plus, और the XOR means what? XOR plus this. ठीक है ना, कॉम्प्लीमेंट लेते हैं हम. Now see, the AND gate represented by like this, and this XOR or OR gate like this. ठीक है ना. Now see इंस्ट्रक्शन कौन से है. एंड के लिए कौन से कंटेंट है, सेम कंटेंट. रजिस्टर, जब रजिस्टर आता है तो ANAR, ANA मेमोरी आता है तो कैपिटल M, और जब इमीडिएट डेटा आता है तो ANI डेटा. सो दिस 3 आर द इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर द AND गेट. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर द विच गेट, और गेट. तो और गेट के लिए अगेन सेम थ्री, ओ आर ए आर, ओ आर ए memory, or ORI with your 8-bit immediate data. So this is your instruction. Now see next one, last one gate, which is the OR gate. So और XOR gate के लिए कैसे आ जाएगी फिर, again 3 operand. So XRA with your register, XRA with your memory, and the last one is the XRY with your data. So we complete here. We how many get, 3 get, एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन कितने हैं उनके, 9 इंस्ट्रक्शन है. कितने हैं इंस्ट्रक्शंस, 9. ईच इंस्ट्रक्शन हैज़ 3 इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो कंबाइन कितने हो गए ये, 6. सो वी कंप्लीट हियर ओनली गेट इंस्ट्रक्शन. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी कंप्लीट द कंपैरिजन पार्ट. विच पार्ट, कंपैरिजन. ठीक है. तो इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी सी द कंपैरिजन इंस्ट्रक्शन. थैंक यू.